Did you take my North Star earrings? I haven't found my earrings, and Airbnb just called. They're kicking us out tomorrow morning. Seriously, Joe, did you take them? Tell me, Joe. Joe? Almost done at the Target. I'm coming back to the Airbnb. If you took and lost my earrings, not even Bigfoot could save you, you hear?
Did I just see Bigfoot? Or did I just fall asleep and like become Bigfoot so that I could find Margie's earrings?
This whole COVID thing's a sign, Joe. I'm not moving here after all. Hollywood can keep their corona. Thanks for coming with me, though. It's funny, huh? When you're at home, you hate it there, and then when you're away, it's your North Star. Don't know how we're gonna get back home now, though. With everything locked down now, there's no flights back to Minneapolis. I've lost is my earrings.
Sit, Marge.
Yeah, Joe.
I got a North Star for you.
How's that now?
Margie? Now, you're not gonna believe me, okay? But
Oh?
some stranger done woke me up with a, I don't know. I was doing yoga, okay? And we both know I would never wear earrings doing yoga.
We both know you weren't doing yoga, sleepyhead. The North Stars found you. Maybe they'll take us home now. Bigfoot? Is that you?